Bonjour à tous. Today, we're going to learn how to conjugate the French verb donner, which means to give in English. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to conjugate it, but also use it in real-life examples. Let's dive in. Donner is a regular verb from the first group, which means it ends in er. This makes it one of the easiest verbs to conjugate. Let's start with the present tense, or as we call it in French, le présent. Practice these sentences with me. Répétez après moi. Je donne un cadeau. Tu donnes ton avis. Nous donnons de l'amour à nos amis. Next, let's learn how to say gave in French using the passé composé. The formula is subject plus avoir plus past participle. The past participle of donner is donner. Now repeat after me. J'ai donné mon livre à Paul. Tu as donné un conseil. Ils ont donné des informations utiles. Finally, let's look at the future tense, where we learn how to say will give. The formula is subject plus infinitive stem, plus future endings. Let's practice a few examples. Je donnerai une réponse demain. Tu donneras des exemples clairs. Elles donneront des idées innovantes. Now, let's put these conjugations into real-life scenario. Imagine. 1. At a party. Je donne un cadeau à mon ami. I give a gift to my friend. 2. In a meeting. Vous avez donné des solutions pratiques hier. You gave practical solutions yesterday. 3. Planning a project. Nous donnerons des idées nouvelles demain. We will give new ideas tomorrow. And that's it! You've just mastered the conjugation of donner in 3 tenses, present, past, and future. Practice these examples daily, and soon you'll feel confident using them in conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Merci et à bientôt. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking French like a pro in no time.